10 things that make my life easier, gardening edition. Number 1 are these Ladybug moisture meters. Now you know exactly when to water your plants. Number 2 are these seed starter trays. Just fill it up with water so the coconut coir expands, plop in your seeds, and put it by a sunny window. Then you can watch it grow. 3 are these stackable planters. They're great for strawberries and they're self-watering. 4 are these grow bags. They have a clear window so you can peek at your carrots or potatoes in the soil. 5 are these rolling caddies for your planters. Now you don't have to break your back when moving your plants around. Speaking of things on wheels, number 6 are these rolling planters. They come with adjustable trellises for your vine plants and they're self-watering. 7 is this weird paste that sprouts your houseplants. Don't ask me how it works, I just lather some at the nodes and the plant propagates itself. 8 is this outdoor vacuum that could suck up dirt and water. It's a game changer. 9 is to reuse your cardboard boxes as planters. It reduces waste, it's breathable for your soil, and it's a great source of carbon for your plants. Finally, 10 are these comfy linen jumpsuits. I designed them myself and they're the comfiest and most practical things you can wear when gardening.